Assalamu alaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very good delicious treat recipe for you all. So today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious and also creamy fruit custard delight recipe. And this we are going to make without custard powder. So let's get started with the recipe. First of all, heat a kadai on the stove and add in 1 liter of milk into it. Now, by constant stirring, allow the milk to boil. So, do not leave the milk unstirred as it may stick to the bottom and burn. Now, you need to add in sugar. So, here I am going to add 1 cup of sugar into the milk. You can adjust the amount of sugar according to your sweetness. Now continuously stir it until the sugar dissolves into the milk. Until the sugar dissolves here, take a small bowl and into that add in 1/4 cup of corn flour into it. Yes guys, the custard powder that is sold in the market is just the corn flour with the vanilla extract and also a light yellow color. So now mix it with equal volume of water, and the main ingredient that you need to add, which will give the exact flavor and taste and texture of custard powder, is the vanilla essence. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and here our instant custard mix is just ready. Now here you can see the sugar has also melted, and now we are going to pour in the prepared cornflour slurry into our milk by constant stirring. You need to add with one hand and mix with the other hand. Now keep the flame to the medium and continuously mix it until it turns thick. Now you need to add in 1/4 cup of cardamom powder into it for enhanced flavor and continuously cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. So here you can see it has become thick well. Now off the stove and allow it to cool completely. Until then you can chop the fruits that are available or that the fruits you want to use of your choice. So here I have chopped papaya, chopped dates, chopped guava, apple, banana, pomegranate and little bit of chiku slices. So whatever fruits that you like you can add in, and whichever fruits you and your children and your family members don't like, you can totally skip them. It is nothing that you need to add a particular fruit to your dessert. It is totally optional. So here you can see the custard is also cooled down well. Now you can see it is so lumpy. So in order to make it creamy you need to add the whole mixture into a bowl, and now mix in 2 teaspoons of malai or the fresh cream into it. Now using a whisk or a hand blender you can whisk it this way for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns creamy. So here you can see it had turned creamy very well. Now into the fruits chopped, now I'm going to pour in our prepared mixture. You can even add in the chopped fruits into the bowl, but to make the mixing easier I'm going to directly add the mixture into my parad or the big plate. So here I'm going to add in and mix it using the spatula. This feels easier and convenient for me, so I'm doing it this way. So whichever way you feel convenient you can prepare it your way. So by constant mixing, here you can see our very tasty and delicious custard delight is just ready. Now let's serve it into a serving bowl. This recipe is going to be very tasty and it's just perfect. You can chill it in the refrigerator for another 2 to 3 hours and then serve it before the guests arrive. This is such a recipe that fruits are usually available at our home itself. So without custard powder, in just few minutes, chopping the fruits and preparing the custard is so easy, and this recipe is thus very easy to prepare whenever there are sudden guests. So this was the recipe for today. In case you like the recipe, do hit a like button, do share it with your friends and family members, and also do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. You can see this has turned out very creamy and is very delicious, and no one is going to guess that you have not used the custard powder into it. So this is a very big thing of the recipe. So this was the recipe for today. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay tuned.